and my name is Bruno. And today, we'll be talking about 3 important things. Self-confidence, being honest with yourself, practice makes perfect. Self-confidence means trusting in your own abilities and believing that you can succeed. Self-confidence is important because it helps us achieve our goals, increases our motivation, and makes us more confident on facing challenges. There are some characteristics of confident people. They believe in themselves, stay positive, and they're not afraid to try new things. Self-confidence can be seen when we're practicing before an exam, speaking in public, or trying something new that seems difficult. There are some ways to set up your self-confidence. First, set up small, achievable goals. Second, practice regularly. Third, learn from our mistakes and be not afraid of failing. Fourth, we can focus in our strengths. In conclusion, self-confidence is a skill that can be improved and learned and doesn't come naturally. Now, to Twinkle's part.
Now we must talk about being honest with yourself. First, ask yourself, how will you really feel about your life? Are you truly happy or just pretending to be okay? Funny people have their little feelings. They often say, I'm fine, or it's okay. But inside, the pain feels sad, tired, or stressed. Since we were children, we learn to be honest to others, but not always honest to ourselves. We think this feeling is not important or as long as it's okay. But remember, a little will come but much later. Sometimes you work and feeling are different. We say, I'm okay, but your body is so of fat smile with low energy and no motivation. What should we do? First, being honest with yourself. Second, accept your feelings. Third, don't ignore the problem. Fourth, talk to someone you trust. And take care of your mental health. And remember, it is okay to feel sad, tired, confused, and to have problems. Next, we want to talk about why practice makes perfect. Practice is very important when we learn something new. When we practice many times, we can do things better and faster.
We can practice by, first, practice improves our skills. We can learn from our mistakes and be not afraid of failure.
Second, practice helps us build new habits. When we repeat again and again, your brain becomes used to it.
Third, when we practice, we must feel relaxed and not stressed. For example, athletes practice before a big competition so they are ready. With practice, we must feel patient and keep trying. Practice also makes everything way more easier and not difficult.
And in conclusion, practice helps us improve your skills, being honest with yourself helps us understand your feelings, and self-confidence helps us achieve success. Thank you for your attention.